Hello and welcome to Back to School Night. My name is Mrs. Ziegler and this is Adventures in Word Study. Just a little history before we get started. I've been teaching for about 20 years. I'm certified as a reading specialist, a special educator, and an elementary teacher, and I currently have two sons in grades 10 and 12. I really wanted you to take a tour of my classroom, so let's go. Hello, parents and guardians. I just wanted to give you an idea of what it's like to be in reading class. If you were a student, you would notice that with the whiteboard that is actually in the back here, and then of course any papers that they're going to need